working on building a veteran adventure team for a while now. In my Brass Eagle adventure team stories, this group will play an important role. This is Marvin. He's a g.i.joe Get Smart action figure I did a review on. Link to that video in the description box below. Marvin needed a partner, so my wife and I found a Inspiring Women Eleanor Roosevelt on eBay for pretty cheap. I normally don't like head sculpts with smiles, but she's going to need one if I pair her with Marvin. If you look at them together, they're going to be a great couple. Marvin will be the Brass Eagle Adventure Team's public relations director. He looks like the type of guy who can talk to people and solve problems. I wanted a better articulated body for Eleanor, so we first got this TB League plus size body, but the skin tone didn't match. I ended up using the body for another character. My wife and I found this Very Cool FX0.B Body on AliExpress for $17.74 with a $3 off coupon, plus shipping and tax, of course. It took a few weeks for the body to come in the mail. I put Eleanor's head on this body. There's a small ball neck joint, so the Barbie's head fit on with no problem. The skin tone is a bit off, but I can live with it. I really like the articulation in these bodies. It's your typical articulation for these type of figures. Her height works well. The g.i.joe figure is pretty tall. This Very Cool body came with 3 feet, 1 set of flat feet, which she has on, and 2 sets of high heel feet with different joints for height adjustment. She came with 4 sets of hands. This set is a relaxed set. They're easy to pop off, sometimes too easy. This set has her index finger pointed out for a trigger finger. I really like having trigger fingers on both hands. These hands are large enough to fit g.i.joe or power team guns, and also a machete. This set is for grasping smaller objects like a stick or even a rope. The right hand is open for larger objects like this machete. This set is fist hands. This gave me the idea that her character is martial arts expert. She looks pretty cool with that pretty smile and her fists up. Don't mess with her. Her hands are easy to swap out, and I can pose her in a lot of different poses. I really like her head sculpt. Her hair was a bit of a problem, but I just pulled it back into a ponytail and used a small rubber band. I thought of adding glasses, but I'm not sure if this would fit her character well. I found this shirt that fits on her. I used some clear rubber bands to hold her sleeves up. Her pants are from the Classic Collection g.i.joe Vietnam M60 Gunner. Her belt and other accessories are from various action figure lines. I think they'll make a great couple. I could picture them as a fun and full of life couple. She's a great addition to my veteran adventure team. My Barbie happy family grandma started it all. These 3 figures are super articulated bodies. I'll have videos on my other figures soon. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps my channel out. And until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.